Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video we are going to see how you can create different partitions on your Windows 10 computer. Let's say you are using one partition, which is your default partition on your computer, to save all your images, your videos, your programs, your softwares. It may confuse you anytime you want to get access to your files. Instead of using one partition to save all your files, you should create different partitions for each of your files so that you can be able to easily get access to them anytime you want to use any of them. By watching this video, you will know how to do that. So after watching this video, you will know how to create a partition on any Windows 10 computer. The step is going to be very easy and step by step. Now let's get started. I am Abrazak from Personals, and now let's start creating a partition on your Windows 10 computer. To create a partition on Windows 10 computers, first of all, you need to decide the amount of space the partition you are going to create is going to have. To know that one, you also need to know the available space that your local drive have. This is our local drive here. To know the available space and the use space that we have, you right click on the local drive on your computer. After going to your file explorer, this is the file explorers. You click this properties, then this is the available space and the free space. Free space is the available space, and the use space is the space you have used to store your files, your softwares in it. We are going to create any partition from this 871 gig. You can create 700 gig partition, 500 gig partition, 800 gig partition, but it is very important to leave the space for the local drive so that it can be able to contain the files, the documents you are going to have in the future. So to do that, we are going to create 500 gig partition from this 871 gig. To do that one, you click OK like this, then you click this PC, you right click it, you click manage. This will open to you the management application on your computer. By going to that, you click disk management. You right click this C drive. This system reserved is the partition that was defaultly created by Windows 10. This is the system result. This is the C drive. This is the local disk. To create a new partition from this local disk, you right click on this C drive, you click shrink volume. Now, as we discussed that we are going to create 500 gig partition. 500 gig partition, and they say that we should enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. The 500 gig now is 50,000 MB. You're going to see 50,000. That is 50,000 MB. Then you click shrink. Now an unallocated space has created. This is unallocated 48.43 gig, which is approximately 50 gig. Okay, now you right click on it, you click new simple volume, you click next, you click next again. Now you are going to assign the drive letter. The drive letter can be A, can be E. The C is not available because it is automatically created by Windows, which is C drive, local disk. Let's pick B drive, then click next. We are going to name it. For example, if you want to create this partition for your images so that you can be saving all your images inside it, you can name it image drive. Then you click next. You can name it at with any name of your choice so that you can be able to recognize it. That is why we name it as image drive, so that we can be saving all our images inside when it's created. Now click next button. You click finish. Now you can see that the newly partition has been created. This is image drive, B drive. Now we can go to your file explorer to see it in action. This is it. Let's see it in action. This is the drive. You can see it here, image drive. It is empty now. B drive, local disk, C drive. You can see it here. Let's say you want to copy something from your local disk to it now. For example, we go to the pictures. You can see all the pictures here. You right click on it. You click copy. After clicking copy, you go to your PC. Then you double click your image drive. You can see it is newly created. No any folders or files is in it now. What to copy, to paste that image here, or to move that image here, you right click, you click paste. You can see the image has been pasted already. The name of the image is blog monetization. Now go back to your pictures in your local disk, and then you right click the image. You go to the delete button. You can delete it here. Go to this PC. Go to the image drive. You can see that the blog monetization image is still there. It's still in your system. That means you can move all your images from here. These are your pictures. These are the images. You can move all of them to your newly created image drive, which is here. And let's say that anytime that you don't need this image drive in future, you can still go and delete it. But before you delete it, make sure you back up all the files in it by copying them in the flash drive or in any partition you create a newly partition for it before you delete it. You copy this one first, then if you want to delete the newly created partition, now you go here like this. You go to this PC. Now you want to delete this image drive here. Now what we're going to do is you go to the computer management application on your computer, then you right click this image drive that you want to delete. You right click it, you click delete volume. They'll ask you that should you continue to delete. You said yes, then wait for them. You right click it again. You see delete partition. You click this. This is an extended partition. You click yes again. Now the partition has been successfully deleted, and now this is the unallocated space. Now you come here, the C drive. You right click on the C drive. You click extend volume. you click next, you click next again, you click finish. Now you can see that the newly created partition was being successfully deleted from your device. Now go to the file explorer now to check it. It's not here again. It only remain C drive now. This is the only C drive that we have. You can see. And if you go back to these pictures, you will not see this block monetization image again. To do it, let's say you have back it up on your C drive, on your drive before you deleted it. Then let's come here like this, you right click, then you click paste. B drive is not available, the location is on the okay, it's not available. That means the file has gone, we can't get it again. The file has gone. Before you delete the partition, make sure that you back up all the files in it before you go to deactivate or install it. I hope this video has helped you know how you can create a partition on your Windows 10 for each of your files. You can create different partitions using the steps we discussed in this video above. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends. Give it a like so that we can reach more people. Also, please comment with any question you may have to ask. Could you be able to create a partition on your Windows 10? What that's preventing you from not be able to create it? Let us know via the comment section. Thank you for this video.